Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. So guys, please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content coming your way. All right, and I have a lot of chicken. These are leg and thighs. All right, we're gonna make some homemade jerk barbecue chicken. My husband said he loves it, so I'm gonna make it for him. Let's get into this video. I'm gonna put the dry ingredients first. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of this jerk seasoning. I don't measure, guys, I just pour. All right, put to your liking. I have this chicken seasoning. I'm gonna put a tablespoon as well. Caribbean spice and roasted garlic, another tablespoon. We're gonna go in with 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. If you like lots of garlic, another 2 teaspoons onion powder, paprika, about a tablespoon, black pepper, about a teaspoon, a little bit, put like a tablespoon of olive oil to combine everything. And now this is my blended green seasoning, and I'm gonna put like few teaspoons, about 2 tablespoons or 4 teaspoons. All right, for sure with the jerk seasoning, I'm gonna go in with 2 tablespoons today, something like that. Some soy sauce, I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons. Some teriyaki, I'm gonna put like a tablespoon. All right, and then this is my homemade barbecue sauce. I'm just gonna put a little now to marinate it, and then later I'm gonna add some more. I'm just gonna rub everything together. Take your time, guys, no rush. Make sure everything gets seasoned. And I cut the hip so the season can go down in there and soak. And I also put a cut on the legs too. So you see what I'm doing? Or you can use file paper, whatever you find. That way I work with. All right, I'm gonna set this in the refrigerator, come back tomorrow. Now I have some peas, all right, and I'm just using the Walmart Great Value red kidney beans. I'm using half pack, so basically I rinse it and I put some water to boil. Now I'm just gonna add some stuff to it so it can boil a little bit. I'm gonna put some pimento green. I'm gonna put 2 cloves of garlic, and I'm just gonna put about a teaspoon of olive oil, or 2, a little bit more. All right, we're gonna let this boil up, and then we're gonna sink the peas and pressure it. All right.
You put some cold water and sink the peas.
Okay, so cold water. All right. We're gonna let this. We're gonna make it cook fast by pressuring it. All right, I'll come back. I'm doing some fried plantain and bread for my breakfast, and I'll see you later, guys. Chicken in the fridge. I marinate. All right, guys, I'm gonna put this on. I can't tell you how long I'm gonna pressure it. All right, guys, so I'm gonna pressure it for 30 minutes, and we're gonna check it. And if you want a little bit more pressure, put it for another 10 minutes or 15 minutes. All right, I have my pan. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil, not much, about a teaspoon, and I'm gonna rub it up. And remember to rub the sides as well. All right. This is it over here, guys. A whole heap of chicken, you know, well seasoned from yesterday and in time, yeah. All right, we're gonna place it here. If you can't hold, guys, I'll just put it some in another pan. I'll put some legs. And I'm gonna get another pan, guys. You can't hold. I tip a little bit of water and on the rest of the seasoning. I'm gonna pour it in the bottom. My husband told me, say, I want baked chicken. I don't want it dry out. You hear me, guys? Since you don't like me, I tell you can't say no. So anyhow, we're gonna pop this in the oven. I'm gonna pop it in for about 40 to 45 minutes without the lid. I'm gonna flip it over, leave it for another 20-25 minutes, and then we'll see how it goes. All right, my peeps, now I took out some of the peas, guys, because it's too much. So here I have the peas already cooked nicely. All right, now we're gonna flavor this up. All right, you know you're ready for your coconut milk. I'm gonna put 1 pack of this coconut milk. You can use the liquid one, it's up to you. Use whatever one you want. I'm gonna use the whole pack. All right, guys. Soon as it start to boil up, you're gonna dissolve. All right, guys. Creamy and nice. I'm gonna put some scallion. I beat it, and I'm gonna put 1 scotch bonnet pepper. I'm gonna put a little bit of thyme, and then I'm gonna put 1 cube in it. You can use the veggie one or the chicken one. It's up to you. Gonna give it some flavor. All right, I'm gonna let this come to a boil. Oh, we're gonna put a little bit of salt, right, guys? We have to get the salt. We're gonna put a little bit of salt. I'm gonna put about ½ teaspoon. You can put half to a spoon. It's up to you. Don't make it salt though. Oh, my peeps, you can put like a tablespoon of butter, but I'm gonna put like a teaspoon of olive oil because I add like a teaspoon before, so I put 2 teaspoons. But you can use some butter. All right. All right, guys, I'm back. Look at that goodness. Oh my God, the cubes in it, guys. The 1 cube I put in it made it smell so good. Really creamy and ready. Guys, actually the doctor told me when you cook one Sri Lanka doctor, he said when you cook rice and peas, it's the healthier way. All right, guys. I have about 2.5 cups of rice, close to 3 cups. I'm gonna put that in. Oh, gonna be a lot of rice and peas.
Smells good.
My husband said it smells good. He just talk behind the camera right now, guys. He not talk up front, me couldn't hear. Just a whisper say it smell good. That's it. I'm just gonna cover this, but I'm gonna put some foil paper over it. There. And then you squeeze it down. I'm gonna give it about say 15-20 minutes. Then I'm gonna come back and stir it up. I'm just gonna cook some mixed vegetable. So this is what I'm doing. The mixed vegetable in the broccoli, cauliflower, and I'm gonna give it like exactly 2 minutes. Once the water start boil over it, then I strain it off. My husband cut this one. Say he just want this steam. I don't know if he can hold. Let's work.
I'm right in the mix.
You like this one?
I'm right in the mix.
I'm saying right in the mix, guys. Guys, we should have get one bigger pot or one steamer, but that's okay. Alright, my peeps. You see how my vegetable them fresh and nice and look springy and, you know, delish. Now, we're gonna serve this just as is, but I'm gonna make like a little oil base to just stir on it. Yeah, that's good. Put 1 teaspoon of garlic. Parsley flakes. All right, and put like a tablespoon of olive oil and mix it up. Yeah. Pull it up now, pull it right up. Pull up it. More. All right. Mix it up. Mix it out really good. You see the goodness here, guys? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna sprinkle it over this, just a little bit. It's gonna give that garlic, herbs flavor. Rice stock. Oh, all right. look at that, I mean, oh mama mia. All right guys, we're just gonna stir this up a little bit and then we're gonna let it steam some more. Why me always stir it? Because you know one part cook, you understand? You don't want the bottom cook and the top not cook, so I always stir it a little bit. But you don't have to stir it.
But this time we'll cook it like.
Yes, but that's how meat stay, right?
Yeah.
If you want cookie and not stir it, then it's up to you. We'll put it back for another 10 minutes and it should be done. Alright my peeps, so this is it. I let it stay in there guys for about an hour, right? So here it goes. I always like to drain off some of the excess oil from the side. I'm going to put it back in for about 20 minutes and then I'm going to add the sauce on it and it's all done. It's cooked now, you know guys, over an hour in there now. Oh boy. Oop. Alright, I'm going to spin over all of them like this and then I'm going to come right back because this video already long enough guys. We're going to make the sauce for the chicken. This is my homemade barbecue sauce. I'm going to put good amount, maybe 1/3. Alright, I'm going to put some of this barbecue sauce. And then I'm going to put some Diana. Give it some more color. And that's it. So this is my sauce. And we're just going to put it all over it like that.
Why don't you put it in the... Don't enough, man. That's the chef right there. Let her do her chef. Yeah, why do things differently?
It's not only differently, no, it's how it tastes. That's a major part. Everybody do things differently, but it's how it tastes after.
And different taste.
Alright. Put this back in. 5 minutes on roast, like 3 minutes on roast or 10 minutes or 15 minutes regular. Flip it over, put the rest and come back and show you the final result. I'm doing some fried plantain here guys. Big Sunday dinner. Alright, just let them fry up for 2 more minutes, take them out and it's all done. We're gonna share out some. Alright my peeps, I'm done. Wow. After the last 2-3 minutes, I put it on the boil and this is it. Alright. Looks pretty. Alright. And here I have my vegetable and the rice and peas and some plantains. Alright, I'm just gonna dish it out guys and then I'm gonna show you. Okay. Guys, I just want to show you how my rice and peas jelly and nice. Alright guys, and this is it. This is my husband's Sunday dinner. Yes. Alright, vegetable, jerk barbecue chicken, rice and peas, plantain. Look at that goodness guys. It's super delicious, scrumptious. Alright guys, and this is it. Love upon me and I love upon you. This is some apple, beetroot, carrot juice with ginger and lime or lemon, and I put a little bit of brown sugar.